In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the cinematic black bars or animated letterbox in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, make sure that you are on the Edit tab. Next, come over to the Effects tab over here and select Effects under your toolbox. And after selecting Effects, under Effects, select the adjustment clip and drag it above your video on your timeline. And make sure that your time indicator is at the position where you want the black bars to begin to animate. Now select this adjustment clip and extend the duration to the end of your entire video. Next, select your adjustment clip and come under Inspector, under Video, come down to Cropping and select Cropping. Next, under the crop top and the crop bottom, toggle on the keyframes next to the crop top and the crop bottom and move your time indicator to somewhere around 2 seconds and increase the value for crop top and crop bottom to 150. And if we go back now and hit play, you can see what we've created. And that's it, guys, on how to create this animated cinematic black bars or letterbox in DaVinci Resolve.